Green tea. Remove your stretch marks in a natural way. All the medicinal properties attributed to green tea are well known, and every day new ones are added to the list. In addition, they are the ones that have given it the honour of being the second most drunk variety of Camellia sinensis. The first is black tea. Apparently, green tea would be very good for removing stretch marks. What do you think? In case you did not know, I tell you that stretch marks are skin atrophies that have the appearance of lines and can form when your skin stretches very fast. In this case, there is a rupture of collagen and elastin fibres, and the skin weakens and becomes susceptible to scarring. One of the properties attributed to green tea is its great power to rejuvenate the skin, which is given to it thanks to its high content of antioxidants. Benefits of green tea to eliminate stretch marks. Research on natural remedies for eliminating stretch marks was conducted by Dr. Stephen Hsu of the Medical College of Georgia's Department of Biology in the United States in 2003. In this research, it was found that EGCG catechins in green tea can help rejuvenate skin cells that are at the end of their life cycle and die near the outer surface of the skin. Did you know that? On the other hand, they are also able to stimulate cell division, causing new cell growth. Thus, it is demonstrated that the components of green tea can be useful in promoting skin regeneration, wound healing, removing stretch marks, or in the treatment of certain skin conditions such as acne, psoriasis, rosacea, ulcers, and stretch marks. The cells that migrate to the surface of the skin that normally live for about 28 days, on day 20 are basically mobilized to the top layer of the skin when they are about to die. But in this case, EGCG catechins reactivated them. Although Dr. Hsu admits that the full benefits of green tea with respect to this issue are still partly unknown, he believes it will bring about a revolution in future dermal treatments. If skin cells surrounding wounds or infections do not heal over time, connective tissue fibroblasts can rush in to fill the void and cause scar tissue to form. They are also able to stimulate skin cells to differentiate and proliferate. We can potentially speed up the healing process of these wounds and prevent the formation of scars, stretch marks. Since stretch marks are caused by abnormal stretching of the skin that forms scars, this property of green tea has great potential to help you get rid of them. I guess you must be eager to know how you can use green tea to get rid of stretch marks. Take note of the following tips. How to remove stretch marks with green tea. You can use green tea in different ways, both internally and externally. Externally, apply stretch mark creams containing green tea, rubbing green tea soaked cotton pads on the stretch marks. Internally, to eliminate stretch marks, drink your favourite green tea daily, always keeping in mind to do so in moderation, no more than 3 cups a day. As you can see, not only will you benefit from the healing properties of green tea by drinking it, but you can also use it in the form of an ointment or cream. Have you tried it yet? Home remedies for stretch marks after pregnancy. What is good for removing stretch marks? Fortunately, if you want to remove red stretch marks in pregnancy, you can resort to the help of natural remedies that you can easily prepare at home without having to resort to any kind of invasive treatment. Do you want to know some of them? Take a look at the following list. Argan oil mask. You will discover a simple way to get the healing benefits of this natural oil with great moisturizing and tightening power, which will help you get rid of stretch marks in a short time. Avocado and aloe vera mask. This mixture combines the healing properties of avocado and aloe. It will help you keep your skin free of stretch marks and smooth. Shea butter. Wondering what it does for stretch marks? The emollient and nourishing power of this natural ingredient will benefit your skin, helping it to have more elasticity and thus reduce the appearance of stretch marks on the legs. If you're looking for the best cream for stretch marks, remember that it has shea butter among its components. Other benefits of green tea for the skin. If you are a green tea lover and you trust in its healing power, it is very likely that you will be interested in knowing other skin conditions that green tea can help you treat. I recommend you take a look at the articles in the following list. Green tea to treat rosacea skin. One of the properties of this healthy beverage is its high content of antioxidants capable of rejuvenating skin cells. Green tea extract contains these enhanced virtues, and it is for this reason that it is used in the treatment of rosacea. Green tea to treat acne. You will learn that the epigallocatechin gallate in green tea is responsible for this benefit. There is scientific evidence that these antioxidant compounds are able to reduce sebum production in the skin. You will discover how and how much green tea you should consume daily to achieve this cure for this condition. Green tea for psoriasis. You will discover that some components of green tea have the ability to regulate the growth of cells, preventing them from becoming too thick and giving rise to this skin disease. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to comment on what other tea topics you'd like us to cover, and don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe. Also, check the description below for a link to our delicious teas.